I got 2 little ring lights on here, and I don't want to look awkward with the light. Y'all, I'm looking at myself, so cut it out. I'm not looking at y'all, I'm looking at myself. I think it looks better. What y'all think? Anyways, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyndall, and today is my very first video. This is gonna be my second video, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how I apply these little lashes. Well, at least how I did it, without no little tweezers or none of that. Just my little fingers, okay? Okay, so, and sorry if I keep messing with my hair, y'all. I just did it, and it's so cute to me. We're gonna get into the video. All right, so I am back, live in the flesh with no lashes on, and I still look good. Period. But I'm gonna be applying these little lashes, and I'm just gonna tell y'all all I use is the Kiss Lash Adhesive Strip Glue, and these lashes I got from Icy Hair, and they came with this hair, and I'm just gonna be showing y'all what I do. And like I said, if I'm looking at myself, it's because I'm new to this, and I'm gonna be true to this. Anyways, so here are the little lashes or whatever. They just be sticking to anything, but I'm just bend them a little bit, give them a little curve, give them their little shape back. And y'all, I sat on one of them, so one of them kind of jacked up, but I mean, hey, it's whatever. You know, they still gonna look cute. I'm just gonna try to comb them out because y'all, I'm gonna see these little lashes up. But they're really cute. They like $40 on the website though. I don't think I would buy them just to buy them because they expensive. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how I apply these little lashes. Quick and easy. All right. Should I do a voice? No, I'm not gonna do a voiceover. I'm just gonna talk. I'm just gonna talk to y'all. Other people be like, oh, I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, like they do them little eyebrows off camera. But I'm gonna do my, oh, excuse me. I'm gonna do my own camera, but I don't even wear eyelashes. So I'm just doing it because I think it would make it, y'all, look what I done did. So what we gonna do is dip the little stuff we got off the finger because that still works. Y'all, don't put too much because it's gonna be extra white and you gonna see it. So don't put too much, put just the right amount. So we gonna just dip on the little finger that already got all that little stuff on it. Y'all, I just got done watching Never Have I Ever on Netflix, and y'all need to watch that because it was really good. It was sad I cried at the end, but we're not gonna speak on that. But y'all, it was really good for real. So I suggest y'all watch it. If y'all need something to watch during this little quarantine, then y'all need to watch that. But like I said, y'all don't want too much, but y'all don't want a little bit because then your little lashes not gonna stick. Then y'all corners gonna be popping off like they always be doing. So do this. Just fan it. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna close the little eye, okay? I'm gonna get up close and personal. So we're gonna close the little eye, and then we're gonna put it right there and push it, okay? Don't blink though, cause if you see like that, you gonna mess it up, and nobody got time to be starting over. So, all right, and put it on. And then press it. And then press that corner in. Who you talking to? Let me know. Who you talking to? Naked, still cute, eyelashes, still cute. Now we're finna do the other one. Cause you ain't talking to me, baby. You ain't talking to me. I know I struggle putting them on. But we all struggle. This is for beginners. Make sure I put that in the title. For beginners. Because I want y'all coming for my head. Because they put my lashes on quick and easy. Y'all, this video only gonna be like, hopefully like 5 minutes. Because ain't nobody got all day. Ain't nobody trying to watch a 10-minute tutorial on how to put on lashes. Like, we got somewhere to be. We really got nowhere to be because of quarantine, but look. No. I had to take a little break because I had to do something, but all right. I have to look in my other mirror. But here we go. Y'all, one lash should be looking fluffier than the other one, but it's okay because I still applied them and I still look cute and I'm still looking at myself because I look a baddie. But anyways, if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on all of my videos. I only got 2. But still, like, comment, and subscribe on it because I'm trying to do big things. And I can't do big things if y'all not helping me out. So help me out. And thank you for watching while I become a little baddie during quarantine or whatever. Even though I ain't going nowhere. Just want to put on some lashes and get cute. And just show you. Excuse me. Just show y'all how I did them because honestly, everybody's new. And I had a couple trial error doing these. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did them. And I'm putting a clip where I messed up because ain't nobody perfect. Anywho, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my little well, it's 3 because one a little intro, but like, comment, and subscribe on my little 2 little videos, please. And share it to get me out there. Because guess what? I'm trying to do big things. Even my little backdrop. So, thank you for watching. And yeah. Baddie! Alright, bye y'all.